Welcome! If you love scrolling through Pinterest and want your videos to play automatically when you're connected to Wi-Fi, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to enable autoplay videos on Pinterest using Wi-Fi with all the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account so you can access all your settings. Next, head over to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture, which you'll find at the very top of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal Pinterest page. Once you're on your profile, look for the option called Social Permissions. Tap on it to open up a list of settings that control how Pinterest interacts with your device and your social preferences. Now, scroll down until you see the section for video settings. Here you'll find two important toggles, one for autoplaying videos on mobile data and another for autoplaying videos on Wi-Fi. To make sure videos only autoplay when you're connected to Wi-Fi, toggle off the option that says Autoplay Videos on Mobile Data. This will help you save data and avoid unexpected charges if you're not on a Wi-Fi network. Next, toggle on the option that says Autoplay Videos on Wi-Fi. With this setting enabled, your Pinterest videos will start playing automatically whenever you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, giving you a smoother and more engaging browsing experience without using up your mobile data. And that's it. You've now set up Pinterest to autoplay videos only when you're on Wi-Fi. This simple change lets you enjoy all the creative content Pinterest has to offer, while keeping your data usage under control. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!